today now we are in Puchong in this SetiaWalk Mall. So now I'm in front of the SetiaWalk, the logo here. In front of me there is the highway, the LDP, and then that's where you see the LRT leaving the station. That line goes to PJ. So here one of the drop-off point, and here at night, here you see the light come up at the side here, the water. So I can't wait for the lights here on the side here and here, the lights to come up, and hopefully there's a musical light show. So now in the middle here, you see that this area here is a play area. It's children friendly, pet friendly, and then also there's a lot of water features here. Okay, so we're just done walking around. So Lily, yeah, what do you think about this place?
Well, yeah, it's a very nice vibes you can have here. We were here since the late afternoon, and when it's nearing night time, like evening time now, yeah, the lights started to power on, and yeah, the lights started to switch on, and yeah, it's kind of have another vibes here, lah. And then somehow the water feature, the sound, the fountain, right? It kind of very relaxing, lah. Yeah, so kind. And then I like the fact that it's actually not that hot. It's quite well ventilated. I mean, it's the open air, so the air here, yeah, quite windy, lah. I kind of like the vibes here and the ambience here.
So now we are on the first floor, the first level. Below here you can see the water features behind me, all the way from one end to the other end, that way towards the Setia Walk where we have the TGV and then the co-working spaces, and there's a karaoke as well. So what I like here is that, yeah, the plants here, they are quite well maintained, and then the water feature here is very nice, all the way from one end to the other end here. So it's not just the water area itself, there's also some ponds as well that will light up at night, and then there'll be some water sprinkling up. So here we are on this platform here in the middle of this Setia Walk, and then what I like here, of course, not is just the water feature. You see here, they do the architect here. You can see the water jumping up to here, this lady crossing the water feature here. And then in the middle here, there's this water lily pad that looks like water lily over here, and also I believe some more plant and water design features further up. So over there is the SetiaWalk, the residence. So it's very unique. As you see here, in the middle here there are the bridges. You can actually see people crossing the bridges. There are multi-levels here. So there are multiple levels of bridges. Not like some residences where only certain levels of units they have bridges. Here looks like almost every floor they have a bridge from the lower level all the way to the top floor in this residence. And then here is very convenient because there are a lot of all these bridges here that you can cross from one section from one side to the other side here. So over here we are crossing from that side here to this block here, this section, and then over there later we can cross from here to the other side, the other block. So and this is a multi-story open concept commercial with some residential development at the back. So you can see most of the units here, they are more or less they are individually owned, and they are multi-story here. There's ground 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 floors. And not to worry, it's not just walk up, there's also a lift that you can take from the ground floor all the way to the top floor. And you have units that are facing inside here, outside in the main road and at the back. And there are also pet shops, mini marts here, and then there's a clinic and a dentist and also some musical shops in here. And so because all the units here, they are individually owned, so really you can have a wide mixture of different types of tenants and landlords, and so different mixtures of units. As I mentioned, you can have a lot of different types of food and eatery from Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and then you can have different types of medical offices and institutions here. You can have clinic, dentist, and chiropractic, and then also can have musical shops and tuition centers here, and education institutions here, and then a lot of other different types of tenant mixtures here in SetiaWalk. Yeah, so where did we eat just now? Yeah, we went to a Western food restaurant.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, we're looking around for a lot of different food. Huh?
Yeah, got Korean, got Western and some locals. And also, for those who are staying here, I think they will never go hungry because just now when I came here, I was like super hungry, and we can just come and grab your lunch or even dinner. Very convenient. All the mini marts, like 24 hours mini mart here also.
So what do you think about the rental rate here, the size of the unit here, for potential like people who want to rent, whether it's an office or rent for a shop or rent for maybe to stay in the SetiaWalk, the residence, and then there's also the new residence at the back there.
I did see a lot of Korean, a few Korean restaurants, but I do see like a lot of Chinese. This is a pet friendly area. There's even a pet playground for them also. So yeah, I think the prospect, if you have pets like well groomed dogs, like I think this place quite welcoming lah. Working professional, have no time to cook, yeah, this is where you can grab your quick lunch or dinner very conveniently. And even those who looking for walking distance to LRT station, very
Yeah.
very yeah, even like children friendly lah. So this place, like actually they're all children all playing here.
Yeah.
So yeah lah.
So before coming here, do you found any difficulty coming here? Like driving from wherever you came here, wherever we came here to here, and then after that finding parking? Little bit.
Yeah. For first timer lah, yeah, maybe will be a bit trouble, a bit hassle like, in finding the place that you want because there are a lot of entrance like it depends on which office or which shop that you want to go to, right? So you have to, it'll be more convenient if you know that accessing from which block or which pillar, there's a lift to access from where. Yeah.
Yeah, there was block A, block B, block C, D, E,
Yeah.
and then the block K,
Yeah,
which is for the
correct.
mall.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult to find block K because there's no proper signages for block K, right?
Yeah. There is actually yeah, but you just have to, at the right timing, you just have to look up lah. So you will notice a very tiny signage. You just have to squeeze your eyes a bit and see, oh, block K, okay. Then you're able to find your area lah. And then I parked at the ladies parking lah. So yeah.
Yeah, so a pink color sign with a P and yeah.
Single ladies.
So now it's evening time, we can see that the lights are starting to come up here over the water, and then you see the water reflecting on the light. And yeah, what we like about this place is that it's not only very nice and a lot of lights here, very bright, but you can see the whole place actually very clean, and there's no rubbish, no people throwing things and littering things. You can see it's actually very clean on the floor here. Yeah, and there's no tong sampah as well. So I wonder how people actually throw their stuff around here. And thankfully nobody throw their tong sampah, their rubbish, their cigarette butts, whatever in this water feature here. Yep, that concludes our walking tour in this SetiaWalk. Stay tuned for our next video in this shopping mall review series. You can watch our previous video. So yep, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in this shopping mall series, real estate, investing, finance and home and living. Thanks for watching. See you.